How to change the default home app on your Galaxy A16 phone with Android 15. Now this is called the home app or the system launcher. Your Samsung phone will most likely come with just one, which is the One UI home launcher. But if you want some of the free ones, go to the Play Store and type in system launcher or home launcher and find the one that's right for you and install it. Once the app has been installed, you'll go into the quick access, like pulling down from here to the top right and go to settings right there. And once you're here now, you will go down until you reach into the part that says apps. So go down to apps right here. And when you reach here, go to choose default apps. As you enter here now, you'll see home app. And usually it would be using the One UI own. But if you want to use one of those from the Play Store, just switch on it. Now, when you tap on it, it's going to prompt you through different prompts and setup and all that stuff there, and then you'll now be changed to the new launcher, okay? And of course, if you don't like it, just go back to the One UI version and switch it back like and so.